Wait. Excel costs, this much asterisk. I always thought Excel was just for crunching numbers, you know, a digital calculator. But then I came to Japan, and my world was turned upside down. Here, people use it for everything. They're literally writing and designing entire documents in Excel, treating it like digital graph paper. It's wild to see them adjusting rows and columns with such precision. At first, it seems strange, but then you see it in action. Text, diagrams, and complex formulas all coexisting beautifully on a single sheet. It's surprisingly easy to get everything lined up perfectly. This whole practice actually has deep roots in Japan's manufacturing culture. Evolving from the days of using engineering graph notebooks for detailed plans, it's all about using the tools you have to their absolute fullest potential. That innovative mindset is what drives progress, and honestly, it's pretty inspiring. Thanks for watching.